Thok has unveiled its latest creation, the pickiest. This electric mountain bike not only tackles challenging off-road trails with ease, but also seamlessly transitions into a reliable mode of daily urban transportation. At the heart of the Thok pickiest lies a formidable Shimano STEPS E7000 mid-drive motor, capable of delivering up to 60 Nm of torque. Complying with European e-bike regulations, the motor provides pedal assistance up to 25 km/h. The bike boasts a low-slung downtube battery with a robust 630 Wh capacity, ensuring a sustained and powerful ride. While precise assisted range estimates are yet to be disclosed by Thok, the bike promises to be a companion for long journeys. Riders can enjoy a flexible and varied riding experience, thanks to the 12-speed SRAM SX Eagle gearset. This feature ensures adaptability to different terrains, whether conquering steep ascents or cruising along urban streets. Crafted from 6061 alloy, the pickiest frame prioritizes rider comfort. The appearance includes a stretch top tube, a slack head tube angle, and a straight seat tube. According to Thok, this configuration guarantees perfect traction and optimal control, making it suitable for navigating both technical urban routes and challenging off-road terrains. The availability of 4 frame dimensions ensures a tailored fit for various rider preferences. The pickiest boasts a RockShox suspension fork with 150 mm of travel, coupled with the RockShox Deluxe Select R air shock, featuring horse linkage at the rear. This combination enables the bike to effortlessly absorb the shocks and bumps encountered during urban commutes or off-road adventures. The addition of a Thok telescopic dropper post allows riders to adjust their seat position to suit demanding situations. Available in a mullet configuration, the pickiest sports a 29-inch front wheel and a 27.5-inch rear wheel. Both are wrapped in puncture-resistant Schwalbe tires, complete with a reflective strip for enhanced visibility in traffic. Control and stopping power are delivered through SRAM disc brakes with 200 mm rotors. Thok prioritizes safety and utility by equipping the pickiest with a powerful 600-lumen front light and a 30-lumen rear light. The e-bike ships with corrosion-resistant full fenders, a folding lock for security, and a side kickstand for convenience. Thok's latest innovation, the pickiest, comes with a price tag of €4,290 or $4,700 for enthusiasts in Europe. Positioned as a premium electric mountain bike, this pricing reflects the advanced technology, powerful motor, and high-quality components integrated into the bike. At €4,290, the Thok pickiest enters the market as a competitive choice for riders seeking a versatile electric bicycle, capable of handling both off-road trails and urban landscapes. The pricing positions it in the mid to high range, reflecting the commitment to quality and performance that Thok is known for. As of now, there is no official indication regarding the availability of the Italian-made pickiest in markets outside of Europe. Thok appears to be focusing its initial launch and distribution within the European region. This strategy may be influenced by regional market trends, regulations, and the company's targeted audience. Enthusiasts and potential customers residing outside Europe may need to await further announcements from Thok regarding potential expansions into other markets. The decision to explore international availability could depend on factors such as demand, regulatory compliance, and the company's strategic business plans. In summary, the Thok pickiest stands out as a versatile and powerful electric mountain bike, blending the thrill of off-road adventures with the practicality of urban commuting. With its robust features and thoughtful appearance, it aims to cater to riders seeking an exhilarating yet reliable electric biking experience. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and good luck.